Heartland Business Break is brought to you by the Code family of dealerships.
Good morning, everyone. We are at Code Chevrolet on Kings Highway in Cape. I believe there's a bit of fall in the air. Doug, how are you?
That it is, Robert. I'm doing very well, thank you. We want to welcome everyone to Code Chevrolet. This month is Truck Month here at Code. I have 30 or plus trucks on the ground with another 25 on the way. The good news is there's up to $6,000 on select trucks, so it's going to be a huge truck month.
Unbelievable, and we're going into times where it's the various hunting seasons and holiday seasons, and you can haul all your goodies, whether you're giving or getting.
Haul all the goodies, the 4 doors, you can haul the family. Great vehicle to buy this time of year.
And there's plenty of room for us in case they're going someplace tropical.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Great buys on trucks, and the man that they call Blister because he shows up after the work is done. How you doing, Russell?
I'm doing all right. Got good news and bad news at the same time. Bad news is Randy finally caught up with me. We can't clunker anymore. But I got the hugest pre-owned selection of inventory right now that I've had in a long time, the best selections.
I noticed that you've been doing some trading. And I heard someone ask you about a Z71 package. What would that entail?
Well, that's just an extra one on new, but we're learning as we go here. But in pre-owned, I've actually just traded for an 03 Monte Carlo, very low miles. I just traded for a Lincoln Aviator with good miles and very nice equipment. Got several other vehicles as well.
So we want to encourage everyone to come in because fall is the time, whether it's pre-owned or new, correct?
That's right.
And I guess that you're going to take care of them every step of the way, of course.
Of course. Just come see me and we'll take care of everything we can.
That's the official Russell contract, I think.
That's right.
Come see everyone here at Code, whether it's Doug, Vance, Steve, anybody. We got everyone here at Code Chevrolet on Kings Highway in Cape. We'll see you right here.